evening, everybody. My name is Eric Tallman on the Michigan News Channel. Thank you so much for joining me this evening, and these are the forecast models for March the 23rd, 2017 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time for Southeast Michigan. You can see we don't have any activity going on at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but this is just a heads up. This is what's coming. It is going to be a rainy pattern that is going to be setting up in the Midwest, but I'm going to tell you what's going to happen after that, so stay tuned. We're going to give you more forecast models for March the 23rd, 2017. So stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it, and it might be an active one. So get ready to spin the wheel again, because it's probably going to be active for us again in Southeast Michigan. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with the rest of the forecast models for March the 23rd. We'll be right back. And thank you so much for joining us again on the Michigan News Channel. I'm meteorologist Eric Tallman, and I'm back with the forecast models for March the 23rd, 2017 at 8 o'clock. And let's go ahead and talk about it. Okay, so you can see right now for that time frame for the 8 o'clock, it looks like we're going to have a very active pattern going on. We'll have a rain, give me just a second, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm sorry about that. Rain-snow mix is what I was trying to say for much of Michigan and the upper peninsula of Michigan. You guys can see a wintry mix up there, a wintry mix setting up for this section of southeast Michigan and northern Michigan, and it does extend as well all the way up to there as well. And then way over here is all rain for most of the Midwest, and then we're going to be dealing with a wintry mix. And then if you are just over in the Grand Rapids area, Kalamazoo area, you're going to be seeing rain. And then over in Midland, you guys will see a wintry mix. Waterford, Michigan, you guys will see a wintry mix as well. So I would probably imagine that that will also extend into all of our viewing area. I will check other models to indicate that, and I'll be right back. And thank you so much for joining me once again. This is Eric on the Michigan News Channel. I did check to see if there was going to be any other precipitation after 8 p.m. and I looked on the forecast models, and it's not indicating any precipitation, but I'll continue to track it, and I will give you an updated forecast, especially tomorrow, and we'll update the forecast models for the 23rd of March. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. We'll have an update first thing tomorrow on this forecast. We'll let you know if it changes indefinitely. Everyone have a great evening and a nice night. We'll see you in the morning between 10:30 and 11 o'clock, maybe before. We'll see you then.